And now the news in detail. A population of 949 and 483 houses in 7 districts of Meghalaya have been affected following the heavy rain in the state in the last couple of days. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Shilla said that some infrastructures like school buildings and church have also been damaged in the recent turbulent weather. It was also informed that on Monday another 10 villages were affected following the rain. As of now, no casualty has been reported from any parts of the state, and the State Disaster Response Force has been alerted.
49 numbers, which are some under assessment, and number which we already got is 949. But sad to see there are some infrastructure also has been damaged, like schools, church, and even the other infrastructure.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said